Hello everyone and welcome back to the IronCAD video. We'll go through a too tall Toby model dated 0207, the short stool. Looking at this model, it's an assembly model, so it'll be two separate parts. We'll create the overall top base and then we'll create the legs afterwards. So looking at these dimensions, it should be very simple in IronCAD. So what we'll do is we'll begin. We'll drag out a cylinder. We'll adjust the cylinder to have a diameter of 350. And then we'll adjust the height to be 25. What we'll do now is we'll go into the features and we'll add the blend, 7 millimeters. We'll add a cut cylinder here. We'll adjust this to be 50 in diameter. We'll open up the TriBall and we'll bring this out to be 110. As the center line of the circles or the cut cylinders here needs to be 210. We'll open the TriBall once again. We'll bring it back to the middle. And then what we'll do is we'll select it and we'll create a radial pattern. We need to have 8 at 45 degrees, which will create this pattern here. Next, what we'll do is we'll open up or drag out another cylinder, open up the TriBall, and we'll go to this axis. We'll drag this towards the middle of this cylinder, which will help us with placement. The overall distance for the radius of this needs to be 372 divided by 2, which is the total diameter of the leg distance. So this will give us the right diameter or the right dimension. We'll bring this face, as this needs to be 493 from the bottom. Also needing to add a radius here. This inside needs to be 35 radius. So that means the inside to go to the middle needs to be plus 14, which will be 49, and then plus 14 to the edge. So what we'll do is to help create that this back edge to touch the bottom edge of this circle here, we'll need to add the distance from this face to this top face there. So it's 49 plus 14, which we'll have here, which will give us the total distance. What we'll do now is we'll adjust the rod diameter, which is 28. And instead of doing like sweep or using an arc, we can actually use partial torus, which is a drag feature in IronCAD. We'll spin this to be 180. And we'll take this from the TriBall and we'll bring this out here. So we'll zoom in, we'll grab this, and we'll put this on this side. All right. And we'll adjust this to be this, and we'll move this out a little bit. Boom. So this will give us that distance there. Next, what we'll do is we'll bring this up until this bottom edge to this bottom face. There we go. This will create our radius. Next, what we'll do is we'll take this, open up the TriBall, unlock it, and we'll bring it towards the middle of this part. We'll lock it again, and then we'll drag it out 90 degrees. We'll create a linked feature here, so we'll need 4 at 90 degrees. There we go. Next, what we'll do is we'll add, we'll add this cylinder here to this face. All right. And we'll adjust this to be 28. All right. And what we'll do now is we'll bring this down to the middle, which will then connect these two parts here, which will give us this section as well. So this is our part. We'll make sure that we'll go into the properties. Here we are, and we'll make this 1020. All right. Next, what we'll do is we'll go to the legs, and we'll adjust the legs to be, adjust the legs to be 2700. All right. What we'll do now is we'll make it an assembly and we'll name it Stool. So this is our part. Now we'll go into the assembly and go into properties. We'll update. This is our mass. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.